Hi guys, today we got choose a prize. We got 5 sounds, 2 princesses, and we got bell, we got Rapunzel, and we got 2 5 sounds. Let's open it up. Come down. Open. So let's open these up. So let's open this green one. Wow. Yeah. Hi guys, today. Bye guys.